It's Chris. I actually had an invitation from someone on Instagram to do some more on the human design stuff. So I'm going to start with these arrows, the variable arrows. And you have four arrows, two on the left, two on the right. The ones on the left, the top left one talks about digestion. That's really like energetic digestion, not necessarily just your food. The one on the bottom left is your environment, whether you are an observed or an observer. And you read kind of in a U. So on the third one is your perspective, and then the fourth one is awareness. And you can kind of summarize all these when saying left. If it's pointing left, it's more structured. You kind of want to do the same thing every day or consistently, or you think strategically versus being receptive. And if it's on the right, it's more passive. You're more into flow, those sorts of things. So to dig in a little more for digestion, this is like proper dietary regimen for your brain's optimal flow. Again, doesn't always mean food. It could mean lots of other things. Environment. So what's the proper environment for protection of your body and mind? Perspective, the unique way someone views things around them in their environment. And awareness, how does your particular mind focus and articulate its individual knowing? So how does your mind work? How do you perceive things? So to dig in a little more, so for the top left, the digestion. So if your arrow is pointing to the left, you really want consistency and structure in your daily routine. You're like a to-do list person, a calendar person, a really much an organized person. You want to eat breakfast, at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. every day without fail. And if you're right facing, variety is the spice of life. So the same thing every day, not for you. At the same time, you want to eat when you're hungry, when your body tells you to, and not at a certain time every day. So a lot of that means with like situations, you don't absorb every detail, but you're taking in the whole thing and kind of coming up with an overall feeling, where someone that is more left arrowed can tell you very specific details about something that happened, where someone that's right, maybe not so much. They'll have a general feeling of the situation or event. And with food, like I mentioned, eating oatmeal for breakfast every day, not for you. You need to listen to your body, see what you want, and get whatever you're feeling that day. I'll do some more for the rest.